How to make lemon essential oil. Lemon essential oil is a great way to fight cellulite. Why? Among its many properties, it contains vitamin C and antioxidants that prevent the buildup of fat. Both of these ingredients maintain good health. These days, almost everyone heads straight to the doctor when they perceive a health problem. Many people, however, understand that natural remedies do work. In addition, they don't have negative side effects. Lemon essential oil is a good example of one of these products. Thanks to its ingredients, you can obtain many benefits from regular use without compromising your health. You probably already know the benefits of lemons. But, if you need a reminder, just continue reading. How to make lemon essential oil. Ingredients. 1 lemon, 150 grams. A glass jar. One cup of water, 100 milliliters. One cup of olive oil, 100 milliliters. A container with a lid that can withstand high temperatures. Preparation. First, bring the water to a boil in a saucepan. Then, peel the lemon and preserve the peel. Add the lemon peel to the boiling water. Leave it to simmer for 1 minute. Place the heat-resistant container in the saucepan and add the olive oil. Remove the peel. Heat the bag in a water bath for 2.5 hours. Let it sit for 24 additional hours. These simple steps will prepare your lemon essential oil. Store it in a glass container in a cool place, without humidity. Purify the air. The air you breathe in your home is very important. Remember that when you're outside, there's pollution everywhere. It's a good idea to purify the air in your home. Lemon can fight any bacteria that enter through the windows because it's a potent antiseptic. Acidity and vitamins eliminate microbes quickly and efficiently. Citrus fruits also provide a fresh scent. The air will seem like it weighs less. Even if you don't realize it, your pituitary gland is sending information to your brain to tell it to relax. Use a dispenser for the best results. Improve your digestion. When lemon enters your body, it becomes an alkalizing salt. What you consume will therefore be digested more quickly and easily. It also stimulates the production of gastric juices, which speeds up your metabolism. You'll enjoy the healthy fats from this oil, which is essential for healthy tissues and preventing your arteries from blockages. Just use lemon essential oil as a salad dressing, or add it to your tea. A few drops in green tea is a perfect solution.
Yeah.